Deer antler, velvet, and inflammation. What science says about cytokines and joint health. Inflammation is one of the body's natural defense systems. It helps fight infection and repair injury, but when it lingers too long, it can lead to problems like stiff joints, fatigue, and chronic disease. Could a natural supplement help calm this process? Early studies suggest deer antler velvet, a nutrient-dense extract from New Zealand red deer, may help regulate inflammatory signals in the body. Here's what the science says about cytokines, inflammation, and how deer velvet may support joint and immune health. What are cytokines and why do they matter? Think of cytokines as chemical messengers. They tell the immune system when to ramp up or tone down inflammation. Pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-1 and IL-6 play a big role in swelling, pain, and tissue breakdown. When cytokines stay elevated, the result can be chronic inflammation, a driver of arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and accelerated aging. Managing cytokine activity is one way to support long-term mobility and vitality. What the research says about deer antler velvet. Lab and animal studies. A 2022 study, Cheng et al., found that deer velvet extract lowered IL-1, Illinois, 6, TNF-α, and other inflammatory cytokines in human synoviocyte cells and mouse models of arthritis. The mice given deer velvet showed lower arthritis scores and reduced inflammatory markers compared to controls. Broader pharmacological findings. Reviews of deer velvet extract report anti-inflammatory, anti-arthritic, and immune-modulating properties. While human trials are limited, these findings align with centuries of traditional use in Asian medicine for joint comfort and vitality. What this means for joint and immune health. By lowering excessive inflammatory signals, deer velvet may reduce joint stiffness and swelling, support better mobility and flexibility, promote a balanced immune response. This makes deer antler velvet especially interesting for seniors or anyone looking for natural ways to manage age-related inflammation. How deer antler velvet works beyond inflammation. Inflammation control is only part of the story. Royal Velvet Deer Antler Spray also delivers growth factors like IGF-1, cellular repair and hormone balance amino acids, muscle strength and recovery, collagen and hyaluronic acid, joint, skin, and connective tissue support, vitamins and minerals, whole body resilience. This nutrient synergy makes deer velvet a comprehensive vitality supplement, not just an anti-inflammatory. Limitations of the research. Most current studies are lab-based or in animals. Human clinical trials are still needed. Benefits likely depend on quality and concentration of extract. Deer velvet is not a substitute for medical treatment of inflammatory disease. Practical takeaways. Deer antler velvet shows promise in supporting a balanced inflammatory response. Best results come when paired with healthy lifestyle choices, exercise, restorative sleep, and an anti-inflammatory diet. Safe for long-term use with a strong record as a traditional remedy. Here are some frequently asked questions. Question: does deer antler velvet reduce inflammation? Yes. Early studies show deer velvet extracts can lower pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-1 and IL-6 in lab and animal models. Question: can it help with arthritis? Research suggests potential joint support benefits, though more human studies are needed. Many users report less stiffness and improved mobility. Question: is it safe for long-term use? Yes. Deer velvet has been used safely for centuries in natural medicine and is ethically harvested in New Zealand. In conclusion, chronic inflammation is one of the hidden accelerators of aging. While more research is needed, studies suggest deer antler velvet may help regulate cytokines, the messengers behind swelling, pain, and tissue breakdown. Combined with its growth factors, amino acids, and collagen, Royal Velvet offers a unique way to support joint health, immune balance, and whole body vitality, helping you move freely and age gracefully. Learn more at royalvelvetnow.com.